Alright, so I just did a long run facing an LEO, and you'll see that. So I flip back around, and I'll measure the distance here. It's a 34.7, 34.665. Ramp up is way better. Holding the signal very, very strong. And again, I'll measure the distance on this. He's up there probably, if I had to guess, 1.5 miles to 2 miles. Super far. But let's see what we got. The arrows are working very, very well. They have an intermittent kind of flipping to the, the front and the back once we get to the rear, and you'll see that. So let's do this run right here past him, and we'll see what we got going on. So still in the front, still holding the signal, not dropping it like it was in firmware 1.2. And again, I don't have auto mute on purpose, just so that you can hear all the tones. Getting stronger. And he was in the median up here, so we'll kind of see if he's still in the same exact spot. I doubt he's moved, unless he pulled someone. The ramp up and the arrows are 1,000,000 times better. Let's see what we got here. Should be up here about another 1/4 to 1/2 mile, right in the median. He's running 34.7 on KA. Yep, he's still here in the median. I'll get a shot of him so you can see where he's hanging out at. And then I'm going to come back to the arrow flip. So he's right here, same spot I saw him when I went past him. So now, let's watch the arrow flip. Okay, there it goes. A couple seconds. Now, one thing to note is probably reflection, but you will see it flip to the sides and the front and then right back to the back. So it's either reflection or bouncing off another vehicle. But let's go this way and see how far the rear horn is going to hold that signal. And again, I'll do all distances and stuff on this. Still holding. Wow, this is impressive. Sorry, I'm at a stoplight, but flip to the front and back to the back. There was a large truck that just passed in front, and I'm guessing that it's just catching the reflection of them as they pass by, because all this traffic that's passing by. I just learned that, by the way. Super excited. Thanks to many in the forum. And sorry, Florida lights are super long. Still getting a little draw. Now they're pointed forward, now it's straight back. We're about to get moving. Yeah, it's bouncing off vehicles, but holding on. So let's go here and see if yeah, pick back up the rear horn. So again, I'll do a distance for you. Still going. Still going. I can't even estimate how long this is, to be honest with you. If I had to guess, close to 3 miles. This thing is crazy awesome right now. Thank you, Escort. This is what we were waiting for. Dude, still holding that rear horn. Man, how long can this thing hang on? It's off. Wow. Again, I'll do some distancing for everyone. Oh, blipped back. Holy crap, it's still going. Dude, insane.